Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get free high-quality AI images using Acool.com and also how to create an amazing YouTube thumbnail for your videos. Stay tuned till the end. First, go to Acool.com. This is a free AI-powered platform that generates high-quality images from text. You don't need any advanced skills, just type what you want, and Acool will create a stunning image for you. Now, let's get started. First, click on Free Trial at the top right. Next, click on Sign Up and enter your first name and last name. For the email, open a new tab and search for Temp Email. Copy the temporary email and return to the Acool website. Paste the email, create a password, and click on Create Account. Now, go back to the Temp Email website, copy the verification code, and paste it into Acool. As you can see, you now have 100 credits ready to use. Now scroll down and find Image Generator and click on it. In the prompt section, type a description, like a futuristic city at sunset, ultra-realistic. Next, in the scale section, choose your preferred size. For YouTube, select 16:9 to get the best aspect ratio. Finally, click on Generate Premium Result. Once the image is ready, you can download it in high quality for free. You can also use the new Image-to-Image feature. Simply drag and drop your image, add a short description, and click Generate. This allows you to transform your existing images into stunning AI-generated visuals effortlessly. When you use all your credits, no problem. Simply log out, create a new account using TempMail, and get 100 credits again. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to keep generating images for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.